Yeah, Jeff and Susie, this helicopter rescue in Phoenix is unreal, and just when you think things make it better, well, they don't. And tonight we're hearing from rescuers who tell us what went wrong.
All right, George, bring her up. That's easy now.
We start to lower the load, and it actually does start to stop, so... And then we slowly brought it back up, and it gets to the same downwash from the aircraft. It started to spin again.
Let's watch that in slow motion, Susie.
It actually eventually broke, so we brought it down again, brought it back up, hoping some of the spin would lessen, which it didn't, obviously.
With multiple points of contact, I was able to kinda, get in her face a little bit and just,